acting like the fuel filter's clogged up on it. I have fuel, but it ran out. Same symptoms as spotter and spotter, bogging real bad. And then lean pop, on decel whenever it was. It'd get a little bit of fuel and then lean pop from not having any fuel on decel, and then fog under throttle. So I'm assuming that the little filter, you know, the little inline filter is
Fog. There you go. Oh man.
I don't know if it's something. I've never replaced some of these. I don't know if I can take it out. Give it back.
There you go. See him real quick. Move.
That's fun.
I mean, yeah,
It's really soft.
dude, it's, yeah, I thought it'd be wet. It's been wet
Yeah.
every time.
No, that was like
It's super
a few
dry.
corners, I was like, oh shit.
Dude, yeah, it's super dry.
That's fun though.
His bike died, so I don't know. I
No
gotta,
way.
yeah, I don't know. So I gotta go get the quad or something, but
Okay.
it's not a bad little free ride spot.
No, this is pretty cool. That's why I was looking around. I hit this little guy.
I bring the 110 out and really have
yeah.
fun on it. Yeah, today it's a little, I'm getting squirrely.
Little booter over there.
And there's a double right, that going this way if we hit
Yeah.
the right side. I don't know. I don't know.
No, one of the when we first came up that hill over there, I didn't realize it was dropping. Go left.
Yeah.
I was like, oh shit, follow the lines.
Yeah.
I almost went over the side. Sorry.
Come on, this.